Hello, this should be a quick video here. I noticed just the top of this Vic-20 that I'm about to probably take outside. The Vic-20 logo, like marking, is rather loose. And it looks like it is so loose that it will easily come off. Oh yeah. And in beautiful, beautiful, pristine shape. And that is a beautiful thing, because it can go on to something else. I know I've got another better top than this. And see, there's some marking with pencil on here. Now this is the one I'm going to put out in the sun, but I wonder if I just take this pencil eraser. Good. The stuff that was written on here will go away. Now it will not get rid of yellowing. And if you can see there's the nameplate thing and how yellow everything is, and that isn't as yellow. So this nameplate may go back on here. It may not. We'll see. But this is very, 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 very yellowed. It may take actually literally weeks and weeks and weeks in the sun to correct. It might. But as it is taken apart, I can put the bottom that way, the top that way, and away we go. So we'll see. So I have saved this. I always thought I'd love to almost make like pins with these and put them on a lapel on a jacket. We'll see about that. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.